right, this is a posture pump video. I am a big fan of the posture pump. I don't like a lot of the other at-home traction devices on the market. Number one, they're not research backed. They're not studied. They're usually cheap. The same doctor that helped develop the DRX 9000 to treat bulging, herniated, and degenerative discs helped design the posture pump, which is why it is my go-to at-home therapy for my patients to be using. Nice thing about the posture pump is it comes in this nice handy bag, so if you're traveling with it, it's not around. You can have it in your own bag. There's some pretty good instructions in there that comes with your posture pump. They have videos on the website, but I want to shoot my own videos to show you exactly how I want you to do this. So the Scolagon, you can only buy the Scolagon if you're a physician, and so that's why I will buy them here in my office rather than sending you to the website. I personally used a posture pump when I was dealing with some issues in my neck, so I can personally vouch for this. So what we're going to do is, the posture pump is simple. It's got a dual bladder design, and basically what we're seeing is the bladders pump up, and that's going to help induce that extension into your cervical spine, because the Scolagon is only for the neck. If we can extend that cervical spine and bring more fluid and nutrients into that disc in a perpendicular fashion, it's only going to help you over the long term. And the great thing is you own this. You can use this every single day. It's really great to use it in conjunction with the decompression, not as a replacement. So Missy, if you would, I want you to go ahead and lay on your back. I want your head to just be right on the center of that. Cool. So your head should be in the center of that. You feel okay there, Missy? If you need to, for comfort, you can put something underneath your legs. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the Velcro off, and this is just going to be right over your forehead. Now we want it to be fairly snug. We don't want it to be so tight it gives you a headache. But as I strap in Missy's head, you can see that it pulls the head down, and it's inducing that extension in the cervical spine. Do you feel okay, Missy? Mm-hmm. Great. So what you're going to do is you're just going to pump up the posture pump until it feels like it's too much pressure and there's a little bit of discomfort. It doesn't matter what the number is, but just pump it up to what feels comfortable for you. And then there's just a little knob here that you can let some of the air out. And I just want you to hold this for about 10 to 20 seconds. So we pump, pump, pump up, hold it for 10 to 20 seconds, and then let all the air out. And you can hear all the air going out. That's one. Pump, 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 pump. You're just pumping this up until it feels discomfort. Let a little bit of the air out, and then hold it and let it all the way out. So the cervical posture pump is really simple. It's easy to use. It can be fast, effective. The recommendations that they have is kind of a cookie cutter. You do what's best for you. When I do the posture pump, I usually like to do it about 10 to 15 reps. Some of my patients like to pump it up, and they like to hold it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes at a time. The goal is that we are taking the spine, the cervical spine, we're extending it and then relaxing, extending and relaxing. And again, this is a great thing that you can do at home. Some of my patients feel like this is a little bit too intense for them because they are dealing with a lot of neck pain. So a way that you could make it a little less intense is you could take a pillowcase as an extra pad and put it right underneath your neck, or you could take a bath towel so that when you pump it up, it's not quite as intense. You could do that as well. There's a couple different places you could put the cervical strap. You could move the cervical strap closer to your nose or further away from your nose. I don't think that is as important, but what we don't want is we don't want that to be so loose that it's falling off of the forehead. Because as you see here, it's just not going to be as effective. So when you're using the cervical posture pump, make sure that the head strap is secured on your forehead. They have really nice rubber that will secure it. Pump it up till you feel a discomfort, let out a little bit of air, hold it for 10 to 20 seconds, and then just rinse, wash, and repeat that process. Cervical posture pump, really easy, really great to do at home.